The aunt walked on the road and seemed to open her mouth tentatively. I'm selling flour.
Don't look.
As soon as the aunt heard it, she immediately pulled her heart back. The aunt decided to give it a try, determined to do it, because the aunt's products are not only good and cheap, I forget one free. The aunt's business is booming. Although the drug dealer only gave her 10% of the profit, but the aunt's creativity let her earn nearly 50,000 euros in just 3 days, quickly become a delicacy in the eyes of the big shots. The aunt's success has also caused some dissatisfaction. Other flour sellers feel something is wrong after learning that the aunt broke their market path. The one who should slip without a word, according to the rules of the martial arts world, take away her goods and money. This situation reached the ears of the big shots, handed over the slip to the aunt to apologize, also took out 4 packs of goods. The big shots saw that the aunt was not willing to sell flour anymore, immediately pointed the muzzle at the slip. Then the big shots, to encourage the aunt to open up the flour market, immediately sent his capable assistant, sent to the aunt, let the aunt dispatch freely the former arrogant slip. From now on, he had to respectfully call the aunt. However, the aunt realized just secretly selling goods is not a long-term plan. While she was thinking about how to deal with it, her grandson came to her kitchen to play. Accidentally added the flour to the cake mixture. The aunt unexpectedly discovered this cake with added ingredients has a unique taste, so she started making the special cake, then sell it on the market. Then take the cake with added ingredients, openly sell it in the market. Seeing such a rare and delicious product, customers flock to buy it. Her business is thriving. Cakes have become the new favorite in the market. Making cakes with added ingredients also won the favor of the big shots, learning to make this special cake. As a result, even the big shots got a good profit. Their brains are full. When the big shots' superior drug lord learned that the aunt was a money-making machine, sent someone to invite the aunt to meet in order to make the aunt sell her life to him and force the big shots out of the team. However, the grandmother was still hesitant to speak up with ease when she saw the drug lord trying to sell the cakes to children under 10 years old. The grandmother directly refused on the spot and told the drug lord that she wouldn't earn money in that way with a guilty conscience, although the drug lord scolded her. When the grandmother opened the door, she found her home in a mess. The people sent by the drug lord had kidnapped her grandson. They threatened the grandmother to sell the cakes to children, and the grandmother, for her grandson's safety, she secretly called her old friends to prepare to rescue her grandson. The 3 of them pretended to continue selling flour and found the thugs, threatening them with BB guns in their hands. The thugs tricked the drug dealer out of the room. Just as the drug dealer walked out of the room, the grandmother held a highly realistic toy gun, locked the gun barrel onto the drug dealer's head, then successfully threatened him to release her grandson. But just as her grandson ran out of the room, grandmother, holding a toy AK-47, accidentally pulled the trigger. The drug dealer realized something was wrong, grabbed the grandmother's assault rifle and looked. His whole demeanor changed instantly, about to shoot the grandmother. Police arrived just in time, caught the drug dealer red-handed. The son-in-law had noticed something was off with the grandmother, so he had been secretly protecting her. The grandmother thought she would be taken back to the police station, but when she asked if the son-in-law knew about her selling flour, the son-in-law said, "The chief thanks you for assisting in solving the case." The grandmother was overjoyed upon hearing this. Later, the grandmother opened a legitimate cake shop, and thus, she began to live a happily ever after life. If you enjoyed the content of this episode, you can like it. YouTube will recommend related videos to you. You can also subscribe to us.